Now talking about antidotes and other substances used in poisoning. Antidotes and other substances used in poisoning. So this is also further subdivided into non-specific and specific. Clear? Non-specific and specific. First of all, talking about non-specific. So in non-specific, we have activated charcoal. Now when charcoal is passed through steam, the porosity of charcoal increases and it adsorbs poison. Does not absorb it, adsorbs. There's a difference. Adsorption is basically a surface phenomenon. Okay. Adsorption. So activated, when charcoal is passed through steam, it becomes activated because the porosity increases, and as a result of which it can adsorb excessive amount of poisoning. It can absorb excessive amount of poison on its surface. Great. So we have finished with the meaning we have finished with the non-specific one. Now moving on to the specific ones. Specific ones, first is N-acetylcysteine, which is a drug of choice in a poisoning. The name of the drug starts with P. Tell me in the YouTube comment section. Okay. Then atropine is a drug of choice in a very specific poisoning. The name starts with the alphabet O. Okay, this is a quiz. I would love to play quiz with my students. So yeah, please do let me know. Calcium gluconate is the drug of choice in which poisoning? This is basically a quiz. I love to play quiz with my students. So yeah, fine. Great. Then methylene blue. Methylene blue is given in which poisoning? Then moving on to naloxone. Naloxone is a specific dash antagonist. Yeah. The name again starts with the letter O. Just giving you small hints. Then penicillamine. Penicillamine is a drug of choice in which poisoning? Yeah, I know you know. I'm just testing your knowledge. Yeah. Okay. Then Prussian blue. Then we have here sodium nitrite. Sodium nitrite. And finally, one very important drug, mentioning it in red because this is very important. Like this is used in a very specific type of poisoning. Favorite MCQ question, USMLE, PLAB, NEET PG, NEET MDS, anyone. Sodium thiosulfate is a drug of choice in which poisoning? Okay. So this finishes that. Now moving on to the complementary list. Okay. I told you all essential medicines have a complementary list. So here, first of all, you have deferoxamine. Then you have dimercaprol. Yeah, this is where it is given, dimercaprol. Then this is followed by fomepizole. Yeah, where it is given, fomepizole. Yeah, I know you know. Tell me in which poisoning. Waiting for your lovely beautiful comments. Then talking about sodium calcium editate. Sodium calcium editate. Then talking about succimer. Okay, where are they used? Please do let me know in the comment section.